Hello, beautiful people. So today's recipe is delicious. It's steak over a bed of mashed potatoes with a side of mushrooms with bell peppers and onion. This recipe is sponsored by Emoji Premium Steak Knife Set. Emoji is a manufacturer that sells knives and kitchenware, making each product by heart and striving for greatness every day. Cutlery is a good helper in the kitchen with a satisfying knife and handle, which enables you to cook and have fun for delicious food. Emoji makes their own unique knife, a knife that you will love to use while cooking. And the best part about it is 100% satisfaction guarantee. Emoji has a German stainless steel, a Paca wood handle, and a comfortable grip. So let's get started, beautiful people. So for this recipe, you will need a whole yellow onion, one green bell pepper, about a pound of bello mushrooms, and 2 slices of steak. So there I'm dicing up the onion using my Emoji Premium Steak Knife. And as you can see, the ease in which the steel cuts through, I was very surprised at the quality of this knife as a chef, like how well it cuts. And there I have my grease skillet, adding the bella mushrooms to the skillet. You want to cook it through for about 2 to 4 minutes and add salt to taste until it's nicely golden brown. Also, I peeled the potatoes and cut them in half and put them to boil. There I have my steak. So I'm going to be making 2 sets of steak using my Emoji steak knife. And there I'm going to make steak strips. Look at how it cuts through, that ease, that because of the German stainless steel. And I cut it through, no struggle to cut through because it's a very fine sharpened cutlery knife set. And then I'm gonna be cooking this as well in the skillet and adding the onions and the green bell peppers, as you can see there. So you want to cook this about 5 minutes on each side until it's nice and brown, and depending on how, if you like it well done, medium well, I like it well done for me personally. So there I'm adding more salt on the second batch of bello. There I'm serving the mashed potatoes, and that you want to make it into a bed to layer the steak over it. And there's a whole steak that I'm cooking as well. Now to make the mashed potatoes, I added butter and I smashed it up with a fork, just to make it nice and mashed. And there I'm placing my steak over that bed of mashed potatoes and adding the mushrooms with green bell peppers and onions. It was an honor to make this recipe, beautiful people. Not only was it delicious, but it was so easy to use because I have my premium steak knife set by Emoji. Look at the ease in which my hubby cuts through that steak. If any of you are interested in purchasing or learning more about Emoji steak knives, please feel free to see the link listed down below. Please feel free to subscribe and comment. And thank you for Emoji Premium Steak Knife Sets. Bye, beautiful people. I hope you guys have a great day. Subscribe and comment and tell me what you think about this video.